right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Explorer.
You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices.
This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control,
Alloy wheels,
brake assist, traction control,
remote keyless entry,
fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control,
rear window defroster,
rear window wiper. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.